Welcome to the Automotive Collision Repair Program at Region 10 Technical High School. In this program, you'll gain the skills and knowledge necessary to restore vehicles to their original condition after accidents. Our hands-on curriculum is designed to teach you the fundamentals of collision repair, including damage assessment, bodywork, and refinishing techniques. Students in our program work with industry-standard tools and materials, learning how to repair and replace panels, align frames, and apply paint finishes that make vehicles look brand new. Our experienced instructors, who bring years of real-world experience to the classroom, guide you through every step of the process, ensuring you develop the precision and attention to detail that this trade demands. By the time you graduate, you'll be well prepared to enter the workforce as an automotive collision repair technician. Or you can choose to further your education in this specialized field. Join us in the Automotive Collision Repair Program and start your journey toward a rewarding career in the automotive industry, where you can make a difference by restoring vehicles and helping people get back on the road.